Okay, welcome to day 3 of Master Blogging webinar. Um, we'll just get started with either questions or probably Anup will start on the agenda for today. Anup, would you like to start with a few questions today or you would like to take them later?
First, let's start with the questions.
Right. By the way, your video is off. I just want to turn that back on. You also have a bandwidth issue, Anup?
No, I don't have.
Okay.
Have
So
some
I guess
disturbance in the back end. So some local Labradors are barking.
you're doing so much blogging on Labradors that they decided to come and back outside your house. Okay, great. So first question is from Anuya. Hi Anup, would be great if you could throw light upon which platform is best for blogging. Mine being a food blog, I need to upload pictures. So would Blogger be suitable for me or should I continue on WordPress? And if so, which hosting provider would you recommend?
Guys, for this, I'll always recommend going for a professional way. And I think WordPress is one of the best way through which you can start blogging. You get versatility over here. And there are so many and available SEO free SEO tools and domains over here, plugins that can help you to build a good web blog. And the templates are pretty good. It's very easy to drag and drop via Elementor. So I'll suggest you if you can go with WordPress only. But um, if you don't want to start your main blog right now, but before that you want to have a hand-on experience on your blog, right? For that, I'll recommend if you can start with blogger.com, right? It's easy and it's free, doesn't cost any domain or for hosting. So go with blogger.com, give it a try for a week, and when feel comfortable, and if you think okay, you can move ahead with blogging as a career, then you can shift to WordPress. Although the main reason why I'm little dicey for you guys to move to WordPress is there's something cost involved over there. The cost is for the domain and for the hosting, right? So prices for hosting, I can't let you know about the companies for this. I think Rishi is best, right? Because he's into WordPress designing and everything. He's a coach already for WordPress designing. So I think Rishi is the best person to ask for the hosting and the designing part. But although my recommendation, 99% will be still WordPress.
Okay. So I guess in Anuya's case, she's been blogging since about 4 years. She just typed that in also in her thing. So I guess in her case, she should just go for WordPress directly then, since she's already had her fair. It's just that attending this, I think I spoke to her this afternoon also. And from our conversation, it looks like she's been just, giving it a shot. But now with her role attending day 1 and day 2, basically she is now able to see a lot more that she was not doing, which she has to now. It's as good as she wants to start from scratch, but I don't think she has an issue with the cost because she's already invested 4 years in trying to blog in her own fashion, actually writing recipe articles and food blog and all that stuff. So I guess she should just focus on your advice in the last 2 days, watch the recordings again and again and start writing content. And I guess Anuya, you could go with WordPress. We can discuss hosting, since your hosting anyway is valid for a couple months. We have time, but I'll get offline with you to discuss the hosting plan, right?
For Anuya, if she's into recipe and the cookery part, so I'll suggest her to go and check the blog which I suggested for Tarla Dalal, right? The entire structure and the design is already on WordPress.com. And the entire structure, the way she's writing articles, she's not writing article because her daughter is already working on that. She's taking care of the blog now, and I'm still consultant for them. And so go and check out the contents he's writing. Go and use the Ahrefs software and check out the
Okay.
traffic she's generating on her blog and the best recipe to write for. So don't write anything unwanted for any recipe, right? So it will consume your time, right? And if it's no such volume, it's of no use, right? So the best part is instead of writing recipes randomly, right? Do a research for what kind of recipe has been written, what is been sourced, and uh, then go for the particular micro niche, right? So if I'm talking about
Right.
niche, cookery is a niche, and if I'm talking about how to make utpam, it's a micro niche, right? So it's up to you what you write for.
Right. So just to add on top of that, also I've been saying this every day, literally in the workshop. But please, when you ask us questions, only then we can help you, right? Because Anup is covering a vast subject in 3 days, 90 minutes per day, and he's covering a huge, varied set of concepts. You have to watch the recording again and again. And when you watch the recording and you get stuck and you want to know, ये href में बोला था लेकिन अभी क्या करने में अटका हुआ है, so you have to then go and comment on that below the video recording. Just put a comment, then we'll be able to reply to you with a link to get further help or whatever. And if your comments will be public, so if it is private, if you don't want people to know what niche you're working on, or it's a little private, then you go to the helpdesk.webdudes.insight, which I have been sending on the links. And again, I will send it today again to all of you all. So please ask us the questions. And third option, once a month, Anup is doing live Q&A sessions on Zoom, but we will only do the call if people register and ask their question. If they put their name, number, and email, and then they put NA for question, and everybody puts NA, then Anup and me are just going to call that session off, because we want a question. It's a live Q&A session. So please put your questions so that we can answer the questions whether you're there or not there on the program. Okay? So
Live
that's as far.
Q&A for free of cost. We're not charging anything.
Exactly. But it's only for students who have attended the course, because for everybody else, it'll be Greek. They won't understand what Anup is talking about, right? You all have at least have a background in it. Okay. Next question from Anuya is, how important is embedding a YouTube video in the blog articles?
It's very powerful. One of the best SEO strategy available, and Google recommend if you are putting in the video content with the text content in the blog, you are going to get a better ranking because Google will understand what this content is about via the video. So if you have a good content on YouTube, yes, you can embed it.
Okay. Great. Fabulous. That's it for now. I think those questions are. Oh, there's one more question from Dr. Yash. The link you shared shows first pair. Please change it to. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. I'll change it. Thank you very much for that, Dr. Yash. Answer live. I'll do that. Okay, that's the questions. Over to you, Anup. All yours. I'm putting my video off.
Hi guys, good evening. Today we are going to start with the op strategies for your blog. As discussed, a blog will only rank if you have a two-way strategy. That's a on-page and off-page. On-page, which I covered yesterday about the content part and optimizing the content with the H1 and S2s. You can also use bullets if you want. You can use the subtopics. You can do a keyword research on your competitor, what keywords your competitors are using and they're searching for, and write a content or list of 1200 to 1500 minimum. That is the basic requirement for a good article to be ranked, right? Because that showcase the quality of content you are putting in, right? So this is what the summary I would give of yesterday class. So I have to move today with the backlink part. So we'll be doing that. Actually, if talking about SEO, SEO has two faces of a coin, right? It's a on page and off page. On page means on the page. That means the content, right? We have to optimize the content. There are some criteria which you have to follow, which most of the criteria which I have not followed yesterday for on page, because it's a complete on page SEO class, right? So I cannot explain all the features of a SEO in a blogging class. You know what? So SEO and blogging is interrelated class. So you have to go and take my SEO classes. You have to go and see what I have talked about. You can go and see about, I've talked about the search console also. I have talked about the content part also. We have talked about the ranking part also. There are many things which I have discussed, which I have not discussed in the blogging webinar, because our blogging is a very vast topic and it cannot be completed in 3 days. So if you combine blogging with the SEO, then it will be a miracle for you, right? So you can do awesome SEO strategy for your blogs for getting good number of traffic on your website or the blog. So on page is fine, right? I'm done with the on page. I see no questions coming in of the study class. So content was the major problem over here, and I gave you a trick, a software, paid software through which you can curate the content, n number of content if you want, n number of times you want. So this is what actually the point over here is with the content. Now let's move to the off page part. So what is off page? Off page means away from the page. A page means a website, a blog. A blog is called a blog when there are n number of pages all together on a blog. So page, article, when all article combined is called a blog, right? A blog based on a niche or micro niche or topic with different and n number of articles. So each article is a page. So what we do is we connect a page of our with another page of the similar micro niche or niche. So what happens is Google finds that there is a n number of press release or PR or connection or networking with your blog with another blogs. So when they find that your blog's URL or your website URL or website address is mentioned on any other websites, so of the relevance website, then Google give you a boost in your ranking. It means making more friends. More friends you have in your network, you become more popular. So this is the same concept we have to use over here for off page. So what we do is we take the URL of our website or the particular page we want to rank for, and we drop the link in other competitors or any related um, websites where we can put in our blog, and that will become a network, and this will give a boost on our ranking. So do you have any question with this off page, please, before I move ahead?
There is one question is there from Khushbu. It says, is it required to learn HTML or Python for blogging?
Python is not required. Python is required when you have to design a template or website. But yep, for blogging, you need to know a little bit of HTML. But this problem is solved when you are on WordPress. So when you are on WordPress, you have to do no coding. It's all drag and drop. So it's very user friendly and user interface.
Okay, yes, that's only one question.
So let's move ahead with the off-page strategy. I'll use a off-page strategy with the software we used yesterday. That will be a Ahrefs, and we'll see how we can generate backlink for that. Now let's have a look at what our competitors are doing and how many backlinks are they generating and how they have created backlink for their website. So let's have a look for that. For that, I'm sharing my screen. So if you can see my screen, okay.
Yeah.
So right. So let me go back and search Labrador blogs, and let's open some of the competitors' websites and sneak in and spy their backlinks. So this is Ahrefs. We used the Site Explorer yesterday, and we use the Site Explorer again today, but not for the keyword research or micro niche research, but for a different purpose, for backlink research. We need to understand what actually backlinks are. We'll see what backlinks are first, and then we'll try to create backlinks for our website of the blog. Now have a look, guys. Are you clear with this one? What is DR and UR? DR is a domain rating and UR is a URL rating, the page rating, right? So this is a combination of all the pages of the website, and this is only the rating of the home page, right? So it's 57 out of 100, which is awesome. So the rating is very good. So this is the reason why they are the leaders, right? Now have a look over here. Can you see this part? This is the number of backlinks they have per domain. A domain means a website, and this is the number of total backlinks they have on this websites, the number of websites. So on 5,490 websites, they have around 1,88,000 backlinks. So around 3.3, around 3%, three times, right? Maybe three times, 3.5%. So each domain is having almost 3 backlinks on their website. So if I click on this, I'll be able to see all the backlinks of there. We can check out all the backlinks what our competitors have built, and we can recreate the same backlinks for our website also, for our blogs also. But the point over here is, can you see this is a huge number of backlinks, right? 1,86,000. So I don't want this all 1,86,000 multiple times, right? So what I do is I select on one link per domain, and it will give me only a unique domain, unique backlink per domain. And other thing I have to do is the language. Can you see? I see some Arabic here. I don't want Arabic backlinks, right? Okay. So what I do is go with language and select with English. So similarly, if you are targeting your website to rank in France, so what you do is search French backlink. Can you see? So if your website is about Spanish, in Spanish language, and if you want your website to rank in Span, so create backlink from Span, right? If you want to rank your website in Portuguese, then go to Portuguese. If you want to rank your website in Italy, right, then go with the Italian backlinks, right? So this will help boost your ranking. So if you want to rank your website in southeast, right, southwest, right? I mean the Arabic countries. So you go with the Arabic. So this is one of the secret way through which you can boost your ranking in the particular country. So if you're targeting a local audiences over there in the particular country, then you can go with this kind of backlink strategy. So I want it for the entire world, so I select English, right? All right. So yes. Right. So what happens is that has been filtered now, and the backlinks are ready. Now I have to check what are the backlinks and where are they creating the backlinks. Now, can you see this? DR is 1, which is very, very less. So this is very, very poor kind of backlink. So I'll not create backlink on these websites. Now the point over here is, say that competitor has created around 4,700 backlinks, right? But it's not 100% sure that 100% right that these competitors are working on this good strategies. So even if you make out around 10% of the good backlinks of what your competitor have created, that's more than enough. So you have around thousands of other competitors, right? So you curate only the best backlinks from this competitor. You don't have to create all the backlinks they have created.
Okay.
They may have done the mistakes, right? So you don't do the same mistake for yourself. Correct. So you don't have to create the 4,700 backlink. My aim is just to get around 10% of the pure backlink which they have created. Right, proceed.
Yeah. So basically, as long as the numbers on DR and UR are higher up, closer to 100, that's the ones we should go for. Is that my understanding correct?
Yep. If your DR and PR is high, then you can go with the UR. I say if UR is 42 is pretty good, but the DR is very suspicious. It's only 1. So I'll never go with this because I feel these two websites, because this is about wedding, right? Wedding and DJ. So
it's not relevant at all.
Not relevant. So I'll never go with this website because they might be penalized by Google, right? So it's very risky to connect with them. चोर के साथ दोस्ती करोगे तो चोरी कहलाओगे.
Got it. So now the third one is good, 28 and 40, or you're going to look for better than that also?
The third one is about iPhone application, which is still not recommended.
Not recommended. Okay. So can we sort this by by reverse sorting on you. Oh, it's already sorted on UR. So that is the highest, 42, but still it's pretty shit because of the DR is 1. So
Exactly.
now, so this is maybe this guy is a shit. He's ranked on many backlinks, but he's not really a good SEO guy, obviously.
Right. So the point over here is, guys, see, it's not about creating thousands of backlinks. It's about creating quality backlinks,
Quality.
right? So
Yes.
there are people who do create thousand backlinks just because they want to rank it as fast as possible, but that's not recommended from my side because I believe in quality work, right? Now the point over here is let me give you an example, right? To see, suppose there's a person A and there's a person B, right? Now
Yeah.
A have around 5,000 friends on Facebook, and we have around
Yeah.
500 friends on Facebook. What do you think? Who is more popular in the network? 5,000 or 500?
I don't know.
No, I mean to say if see if
5,000 is more. So I'm guessing that is more popular, but I guess that's the wrong answer.
I think you're right. So see, if I'm studying in a
Okay.
university, right, and if I have a friendship of around 5,000 people, right, I'm more likely to win a student election than if someone have a friendship with 500 people, right? So I have the
Okay.
potential to win election, right? If I stand for the
Okay.
student election, right? So this is what the thing is. So it's but the point over here is not about creating number of backlinks. It's about creating quality of backlinks. Suppose those 5,000 friends of your Rishi, they
Hmm.
were the prisoners of Tihar jail.
Right.
Was the value worth it then?
I guess not. Yeah.
No. But if you are having 500 friends and those are the member of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, then will it be more better than them?
Yeah, of course.
So it's about quality of backlink you create than the quantity of backlink you create.
Got it.
So
Got it.
this is the
Makes sense.
same scenario which Google recommend for you guys. So don't
Okay.
create backlinks unwanted anywhere.
Okay. Got it.
Now have a look. Now have a look, guys. This website, I mean this website is linked
Hmm.
with around 5,000 websites, right? This
Hmm.
website is having this looks to be a South African website,
Yes.
ZZA, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
they have a backlink on around 5,000 website, but the problem over here is they are not ranking on any of the keyword. Wow, they are penalized by Google.
I see.
Now this website, right, they have a maximum of 5 backlinks, and this
But
website is ranking.
475.
Got it.
Wow. And
Now you got
traffic.
it. What I mean?
So all the columns are relevant out here. We have to understand what these columns mean.
Exactly.
Keyword,
This is the reason why
traffic.
I'm focusing on them
What is
because
EXT? What does EXT mean?
it's extension. Extension,
Extension.
extension, extension means .com, .net, .org.
And what does 5,945 extensions mean
They
on the
have
first
extension
one?
with they have extension with this n number of websites. The top level domain. So they
Oh
have
my
a
God.
backlink with 5,945.com or .net kind of websites. They have extension with only 8 websites.
But look at the traffic and keyword. My
Look
God.
at the traffic and the
The
keyword.
Labrador forum. That's why it's a Labrador. It's a high
It's a
quality.
Labrador forum, exactly. Now you got
Exactly.
it. What do you mean?
Yeah, I got it. Now I got it. Now I got it.
So create
Makes
backlink. If your website is about Labrador, then go create backlink with Labrador. Although you can create a backlink with a dog category also, but
correct.
Labrador will be the best.
Yeah,
If you
best. Correct.
right, if you create 10 backlinks, 100 backlinks for dog, and if you create 10 backlinks for Labrador, I think if your niche match with the Labrador, right, the 10 backlinks are more powerful than the 100 backlinks you create.
Correct. Correct. Got it.
So
Fabulous.
now let's have a look. Now let's have a look over here.
Hmm.
Let me open this website.
Okay.
This is a forum, which is good, right? And
Hmm.
can you see this image?
Yes. Yes.
So they have, what is the
Good
website
quality.
name? Yeah. Okay, this is not image. They must have created the backlink here, anywhere in this domain. So we'll have to go and check it out. Where is their website? So you have to do nothing. Just you have to do is sign up with this website, right? And when you signed up, right, and find the, yes, can you see this here?
Yeah.
Click on the Labrador page forum
Hmm.
and Just ask a question over there and leave your URL. Now, can you see this organic
So
gifs?
that will be part of my signature, correct? Like,
That's really part of
hey,
your
can you
signature.
tell me
Yes.
something, blah, 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 regards
Yes.
Rishi, and then my signature will. I see, got it. Wow, nice. Will they allow it or they will not allow it?
They will allow you. But
Acha, it's there
the
in the
question,
profile. Oh,
yes. Uh, there is a point over here. There are many people who are real people who are asking questions over here. They are not the SEO related, so they might not put the URL over here. What you can do is you can put the anchor text and put your URL over here. So most of the people who are here are the maybe the real people, and they have no website or they have no idea what backlink is, so they don't create. So you have a clear chance you can put in your content over here and put in your website URL. So it will become a backlink. So this is an awesome page where you can create backlinks. So what you have to do is, guys, you have to take a list of all the website, backlinks website, and go on your not paid and or Excel sheet and make a list of all the backlinks where you backlink opportunities where you can put in your blog content. And then when you're done with almost 100 or 120, then start creating the backlink. You have to open all the websites and see if these websites are related with your niche or not. Now, this is one of the way through which you could have done this, the backlink strategy. But this is a very, very tedious work and it need a lot of research work. But I'll give you another easy way through which you can do that.
okay.
Yep. So you'll have to create a list, right? You have to create a list. So right, okay, if you can have a look here, you have to open all the websites they have backlinks they have created and find out if the website is, so this website is about Christmas, right? So English classes online, all crap. Can you see?
Yeah.
Airport animal hospital. Yes, this can be considered. Animal hospital can be
Okay.
considered.
Yeah.
But still, animal hospital can be considered. So, see, this website is not performing. So this is not good. So give it up. Now they don't have a HTTPS. Can you see?
No. Yeah.
And this is about Christmas Carol. So this is non-relevant website. So Google keeps an
Correct.
eye on this, your backlink profile. Now this is about English classes. Now let's see the number of duffers and number of fools we can find. So if you can have a look over here, guys, spam kar rakha pura. Can you see this here?
So this is the most shittiest place to put a backlink.
Yeah.
Matlab, this site is only accepting backlinks.
Yeah.
Auto app accept.
Auto accept. And this website have no idea that this website has been
Spammed by everybody.
spammed or attacked, and ultimately this website also lose its authority.
I see. My goodness, crazy.
I don't know this kind of medicine.
ठीक है.
So
All right, got it. ठीक
so
है.
all wastage, all bakwas backlink. So you should never link your website with bad people or bad websites. So have a
So
look.
tell me, what you said, there is a more easier way to do. वो बताओ ना. I want the simple way यार. ये सब मगजमारी नहीं चाहिए. कुछ अच्छा ट्रिक बता यार.
Okay, let's do it then. So let's
Yes.
cut the crap. But this is the one of the best one. This is one of the
We
this is one of the best because these websites are ranking on top, right?
Yes.
Now again I got a new good backlink, dog shampoo. Can you see?
Yes.
So dog shampoo,
75,
right? So
2000. Wow, 1860. Wow.
right. So this
Thank
is a good website. Can you see the DR and PR is good,
Oh,
right?
very high.
And
Yeah.
yeah, and the traffic is pretty good, and the keyword is also good. So you have to keep searching, right?
Yes.
So you never know what backlinks you can generate. get, right? So this are the one of the best. I'll not recommend you skip this process. This is one of the best. This is the reason why I kept this on the number one priority, right? Right. So this is one of the best because this is proven, because these websites are ranking because of this n number of backlinks, right? But but everyone is not 100% pure, right? So cut out the impurity from here. Just try. I'm not asking you to create around 5,000 backlinks. I'm just asking you to create, if you can find out around 50 backlinks per good websites, and 50 50 50 50, you'll have the purest backlink possible, and Google will see your backlink profile and they will rank you best. This is the strategy I use.
Okay, got it. Fair enough. Okay. Still,
So,
but show us a simpler way.
Exactly. So if you can have a look over here, this page is about a dog sample, right? And this is an awesome article written by someone. Can you see this H2s and bulleted forms? Can you see the H2s again, right? So this is, they are using the same strategy I gave you yesterday.
Yes.
And they have interlinked the articles each other, right? And this will help people to move from one article to another article, and they'll give you more impressions. And they have monetized with Google Ads. Can you see this here?
Yeah, correct. So they are also making 1.5 like someone.
Can't say that. Yep, they are making it. And if you can have a look over here, and there are people are putting their links here. People are putting their links over here, and they're getting backlink. Can you see this here?
Yeah.
Here is a link that supports the soft recipe that sees. And now this is about dog shampoo, right? And this website is about dog shampoo. This is an awesome way to create a backlink. Can you see this here?
Yeah.
So this girl, Lori, is doing good. Now, if she's doing good, guys, if she's doing really good, so why don't we go and check her profile and uski backlink nikal lete?
Right.
This is trick number 2. Right. So let's go to this website.
Nice. This is great.
And so you have to keep finding the backlink opportunity. You have to, if you can generate around 100 backlinks a month, that's more than enough. Quality backlinks, I mean. I'm not asking you to create thousands of backlinks per month. I'm just asking you to create 100 backlinks per month for the micro niche. You'll rank good in 3 or 4 months. Now have a look. All right. Let's see the overview of the particular page. I'm in the particular page, exact URL. If you can see, wow, can you see this UR is 33. Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. And she have only created 226 backlinks on 81 websites. Can you see?
Yeah.
She's awesome. Only for the particular page, right?
ये भी आपका student है क्या?
No, I don't know. And this page value is 6,000 rupees. $6,000.
Wow. Interesting.
So dog shampoo was one of the keyword we found yesterday on our niche strategy, micro niche strategy. And I was about to write an article on this.
Nice.
Okay, so this is way you can come over here and click on the backlinks, and you can find all the backlinks of her. And you can see this dog shampoo is giving her around 6,700 traffic per month. 6,000 traffic from US. Wow, awesome. And click one link per domain, and you will find all the backlinks related with pets. Can you see? She's doing really good. So find the real people who are doing the best kind of backlinks, and spy on their backlink strategy, and take out all the backlinks they have created and create your backlinks over there. Wow. God. Can you see this here again?
Yes.
Can you see this here again?
This is somebody worth following and following whatever they're doing.
Yep. See. So all the backlinks you have created on her shampoo related article is via the shampoo related articles. Can see?
Yes, yes, yes,
Can see?
yes, yes.
So this is where you should create backlinks. Create
Got it.
quality backlinks in less number of quantity.
Got
But
it.
there's no limit to it. So you can create quantity of backlinks with quality of backlinks. So I'm not going to stop. You can create 5,000 backlinks if you want. There's no limitation. More backlinks you create, more authority you get, and more authority you get, the better ranking you get, right? But to ease down your work, ease down your task, don't spam. Don't create backlink just because you have to create backlink. Google will say, nobody, I'm not going to read your backlinks. I'm not going to touch your backlinks because you have spammed it.
So I have a question, Anu. Can I ask a question at this point?
Please.
Okay, so मेरा ये सवाल है कि now like in the SEO class you told us about landing page or landing page के ऊपर you make a backlinks, but here we are creating backlinks for more than one web blog article, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So how many backlinks should we create per blog article?
All right. So it totally depends upon what is your KD, keyword difficulty. If a keyword difficulty is less than 20, 25, then I think 200 backlinks, relevant backlinks are more than enough to bring you on the first page.
For that particular article,
For
for
particular
that
article.
particular blog.
Yes.
So
Now, see, the
200.
point over here is, see, what I'm doing a keyword research for the article 1, right? So I suppose I start writing an article 1 and I publish it. So what I do is, there are many people who ask me questions, how many articles should I write per month or per week? So I only suggest them to write one article a week. Take 2 days to write an article, right? But I've eased it down, right? I've taught you how you can create in 2 minutes.
Correct.
Right? So take 1 day to write an article and publish it, optimize it. The rest, 6 days, try to find the backlink opportunities of your competitor and start creating backlink on those 6 days. Right? Now, the point over here is, if I have a list of the backlinks, if you can see this notepad,
Yes.
if I have the list of the backlinks, they're all related with the Labrador, right? So my entire blog is about a micro-niche, which is about Labrador. तो नया article जो बनेगा उस पे सारे के सारे यही backlinks वहां पे भी डाल दें.
But how many can you keep going per article? So if I have 10 articles over 10 weeks, so 2 घंटे में एक ये बना, एक दिन में वो आर्टिकल बना दिया SEO optimize करके. Then 6 days I have to find backlinks. So
Yep.
if you are saying 100 backlinks per article, that means
200.
100 divide 200, sorry, 200 links, backlinks divide by 6 days, which means I have to do 33 backlinks per day, 35
Yep.
backlinks per
That will
day.
take around 3 hours.
Acha, 3 घंटे. Acha, okay, okay.
Even if you
Wow.
take 10 minutes to create one backlink, so it will take around uh, 1 hour. Sorry, 10 backlinks in 1 hour. So 30 can be done in 3 hours.
10 backlinks in an hour, so 30 can be done in 3 hours, 3.5 hours. No, this is good. तो पता चलेगा ना कितना time निकालना है.
Exactly.
Because to search for quality places to put backlinks, उतना घंटा जाता ही है.
Yes.
Very good, interesting. So then
So
again, next week put another
3
one.
hours of your input, 3 hours of your input a day is required if you want to become a serious blogger.
ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन. अभी यहाँ पे मुझे देखना है पार्टिसिपेंट्स कितने ड्रॉप हो जाते हैं. बट यार 1.5 लाख कमाने की सवाल है. 1.5 लाख कमाना है तो यार मेहनत करना, ये मेहनत है. मेहनत तो ये होता है. करेक्ट, दैट्स व्हाट यू आर बेसिकली
आप ये बात उनसे पूछो जो लाख रुपया 1.5 लाख रुपया कमा रहे हैं. लुक एट दिस लाइफस्टाइल.
This is better. This is better, but this 3 hours a day is good. If we can,
time is a money, buddy. Time is money, and time is an investment. If you are seriously investing, if you don't have money, and if you're investing in time, yes, it gives out after a few months, after 5 or 6 months, it will give out. Believe me, if you don't have time, see, there's no business on earth which give you opportunity to invest on time. There's no business on earth.
either you put money in some business or you put your time in this business. यहाँ पे time लगाना है, पैसा कमा लो आराम से बाद में.
And the return is 100% guarantee.
If you do it properly, if you do it as
properly.
per the way.
I'm there to guide you guys. Don't have to worry about it.
If every month these guys come and religiously ask questions to clarify their doubts, and they put the comments and they ask, I think they should be good to go. This is
See,
awesome.
the point over here is I'm already a successful blogger, right? I'm not here to make money. I could have given you the link for my tools, right? I could have minted money over here with the affiliate programs, but I'm not interested into that. I'm here on a mission to guide India for giving up, getting more jobs and getting into entrepreneurship, right?
Yeah.
Self-sufficient, self-dependent, right? So this is what my motive is. That's it. If you go on my LinkedIn profile, you will see and read everything. You'll come to know that I'm on a motive to teach and guide people. I'm not interested in making money. I can make money by other platforms, right? See, अगर अब मैं आपको पढ़ा सकता हूँ कि ये blogging है, ऐसे कमा सकते हो, तो you can imagine I already have 170 websites. I have 170 blogs through which I'm already making money.
Correct.
Sarkari Naukri blog is just of my primary blog, and I have around 170 blogs. 170 domains I have. 170 domain को मैं हर साल renew करता हूँ. Sometimes the domains are not renewed. Sometimes the new domains have been bought.
Okay. Awesome. All right. Can we take some questions from the audience?
Yes, please.
Okay. अरे यार ये तो basic question है. Khushbu, you asked what is backlinks. I'm wondering whether that question is still relevant after all of this.
I think this question came late.
It came at 9:21. अभी 9:46 हो गया. So maybe let me open up her microphone and double check it.
Yes, please. Let's see why is this coming, because I was clear with this backlink first.
Khushbu, आप जरा mic खोलिए if your mic is working. Is this still a relevant question? What is a backlink? Let's unmute your mic.
Yes. Means can you again explain that what means how I will be benefited with backlinks?
Khushbu,
okay, can I give a stab at it?
Let's see if you can try.
Yeah. So basically, Google, supposing you have a blog, right? You have one article, second article, third article. Now, each article is a link, basically. It's not the domain. It's a domain / something, right? Now, if you want your blog to be ranked up on the Google searches, on some keyword searches, then Google wants to know how many people, how important is this page. So you have to go to other relevant blogs through this Ahrefs tool, which he is showing us, and finding on those keywords who are the competitors and where are they putting their links. And depending on those other places, there could be either forums, जिसमें आप post कर सकते हैं, put the link there to your article, or you go to some blog article और उसके नीचे comment डाल दो, comment डाल के आपका link डाल सकते हैं. So, or in आपके profile में link डाल दो. There are many ways you can put your link of your blog article on other people's website. Now, Google will search every now and then and see that this article on your blog is linked on other many different relevant websites. So probably you are a good article, and therefore we will rank your website, that article up on the search when people are typing keyword searches. So your credibility for that article will go up, and therefore it'll come up in the search rank. It won't be on page 400. It'll be on page 1 on that keywords, on those keywords. Is this clear, or do you still need more clarification?
Yes, sir, it's clear. Thank you.
Now let me make it more clear, better clear. Right now, have a look on the screen.
Yeah.
This is the website of the website owner, right? I mean to say the page, right? The article page, and this page is linking to this page, right? Right.
Yeah.
Now this is the comment given over here, like Rishi said. Write a comment over there and link your website. Right now, this is the comment. I copy this. Let's go to this web page and let's try to find the particular comment. Right. I do Control F and I do Control V. Can you see this here?
Yeah.
Right? Can you see this here? This one? This is a link. When it's called a backlink. If I click on this link, I'll go back to the original source. So if I click on this, I'll go back to this. So this is called a backlinks. When someone click on a link on another website and they come back to my original website, it's called a backlink. A link will send traffic back to your website.
So मेरे को ये बता, how did this person put it inside the post? ये कैसे
Okay.
करा?
Wow, that's one another way. So वो भी मुझे अभी बताना है.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है.
Right. So let's have a look on this. Right. Let's have a look on this. Can you see sign in option?
अच्छा. She has gone and registered there.
Yep.
अच्छा. And
so
she
there
wrote
are
an
many
article for them.
websites. Yes, there
That
are
allow
many
you to write
websites.
articles.
Yes, can you see?
Yeah. अच्छा.
So this is called guest blogging.
They published her article, but because she must have written some good content for their blog, but in exchange for putting the backlink to her blog.
Yes,
Sahi
this
hai.
is what I discussed yesterday.
So the various ways of doing backlinking is comment, forum में post डालो या नहीं तो guest blogging करो.
Yes, and how you can connect with them is this. This is where you can connect with them.
Right, write to them and see if they are willing to do it or not.
Right, but I have a better option, better suggestion to do that. So I'm done with strategy 1. That's a direct research on the competitor. Let's move to strategy 2. That is about finding the best competitor who are doing good profile backlink, and then opening their profile and copying all their backlinks, spy on all their backlinks, right? This is scenario 2. Now let's move to scenario 3. It's about blog commenting. How do you find blogs to comment on relevant topics? So for that, guys, go back to Ahrefs. Instead of Site Explorer, move to Content Explorer. Right? Can you see this topic? Right?
Yeah.
Now I type in Labrador, a space, right? Main niche, micro niche, right? Labrador and space, and I type in blog spot. So this algorithm will work like जितने भी blog spot के websites हैं और जिनके website के title में और URL में, can you see URL? URL में ब्लॉग स्पॉट है और लैब्राडोर है, वो सारे वेबसाइट वर्ल्ड के निकाल के मुझे इकट्ठा करके दो.
So blogspot तो comments normally चालू ही रहते हैं. Normally.
Yep. Now click on this.
अच्छा.
Now see the magic.
अच्छा.
This is how my interns are creating around 10,000 backlinks per month. जो एक साल में रैंक करना है वो एक महीने में रैंक कर देते हैं.
अच्छा. And so there are many people trying to make automation scripts to backlink also. No?
That's not good. Not recommended. वो 90s का, I mean early 20s का concept. So if you can have a look, guys, over here, we'll have to do some filtration here. I want only those websites which are live, right?
Yes.
I want only those websites which are in English.
Correct. सही है.
All right, then I want to find those websites which are more relevant with what searches I have done, Labrador and this, right? I want to find those websites which were trending in last 6 months, right? Although you have option, whatever you want, you can do. Now, what I do is, what's wrong? Okay, it's taking time to load.
Okay.
All right, the filter has been done, and now I have to filter it one page per domain, so that I don't get a backlink from similar website again and again. Can you see one page per domain?
Yeah.
Right. So there are 13,000 backlink opportunities, but I'm not interested in all of them. I want only unique pages.
Hmm.
So I'm not interested in 13,000 backlinks. Instead, if I find backlinks, relevant backlinks, 1,000 backlinks, that's more than enough for me. So this is an awesome tool, which is not available. The features are not available on many of the other parallel websites or parallel competitors. SEMrush is similar, almost similar, but they don't have that much of flexibility as Ahrefs. So now I have done all the filters, and I can see around 2,500 websites, all related with Labrador. Can you see?
Yeah.
Right? And I open a few of them, and you can export them. And all these 2,000 websites, because this is in groups here, I think they have the limit to download only 5,000 backlinks. Let's see, maybe 2,000 backlinks. We'll have to see the limit at a time. So this will export to the CSV or the Excel sheet, and almost all your backlinks are downloaded. And you can open this CSV, and you can start creating your backlink. So this is one of the easiest, right? So searching on the competitor, this will give you better backlink quality than the export which I have done, because this is a mixture of all the forums, blogs, and a number of websites.
Hmm.
So the download is taking time, right? So you can have a look over here. Okay, so these are the author name and these are the URL of the. Can you see this here?
I see. Yeah. This is how you create the reports
Yes.
for our clients.
Yes.
अभी समझ में आ गया. मैं बोला यार ये सब कितना कॉपी पेस्ट करा तूने ऐसे डाउनलोड किया है.
So I have to just download and send it to the client. Now, have a look.
Correct,
So we find n number of websites all related with Labradors. 2,000 backlinks, more than enough. Awesome.
Right, and then you can sort and filter and all of that through Excel.
You can do a sort and filter, right? You don't need to create all backlinks on 2,000 websites. All you need is find out the quality websites with a good DR and PR, UR, right? Only create on them. I'm not asking you to create backlink on 2,000 websites. I'm just asking you to create backlink on 200 websites.
Correct.
Right. Correct. That is all you need to rank on a micro niche website. So am I done with this?
Yeah, I have a question. So that means ranking, like, so when we do SEO for a particular landing page, right? एक
Yes.
landing page को popularity बढ़ाना है based on the keywords that we do for our client. I know I'm bringing the SEO discussion in here, but I'm trying to ask that question because it connects with. That means SEO is easier for a corporate landing page than for a blog. Is that what you're saying?
No, for corporate part is that the corporate keywords are more competitive than the micro niche keywords. So it's
micro niche anyway no competition कम है, लेकिन traffic है.
Traffic
as long as the micro niche has traffic, and nobody's competing, then it's easier to rank with
Easier to
just
rank.
200 backlinks. Now,
Exactly.
for customers and corporates with very difficult competitive keywords,
Yep.
like
Yep.
those ones
And the
that we have
searches are
some of
less. The searches are less.
yeah. So, and the searches are less. So, therefore, for those people, we have to create much more than 200 backlinks na,
Yep.
for those landing.
Yep.
We have to go for them at least what, more than 1,000, 2,000?
It totally depends. See, I'm not asking you to create thousands of backlinks. I'm just asking you to create quality backlinks. So
Quality backlinks,
right.
200 per article for blogging.
Right. Even if you create 10,000 or 2,000 backlinks, but these backlinks are not relevant, that is not going to give you ranking.
Right.
What I do is I create quality backlink, 200 backlink, 500 backlink. That's more than enough. That will give me a ranking.
Right.
So creating backlinks is not important. Creating quality backlink is important. See, for example, my article was about Labrador shampoo, right? You can see. So what I do is I'll, instead of creating backlinks with a Labrador, what I do is I search for Labrador shampoo in URL and I'll create backlinks only on this website. Done. Quality.
ठीक है.
Labrador retriever food, right? तो food का food में बनेगा. Okay. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा. So sometimes they might not give you the complete data. So I'll stick with the Labrador only.
Okay.
Other way, what you can do is you can go in the Excel sheet and you can use the filter and find shampoo.
Yes.
वहाँ आ जाएगा.
ठीक है. So I've been able to respond to some of the questions that came in, but I just want to make sure that Khushbu's is clear. Khushbu, आपका वो question, your two questions is what is backlinks and what is the benefit of having backlinks? Is that clear or is that still not clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Oh, very good. Thank you very much. Okay, great. All right, that's done. Now, what's next?
Wait, can you see this here? Can you see this?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And let me create a backlink for this guy. For example, this guy, right? So come over here and you have to. So block commenting is also an art. So you have to make sure you don't spam it. So now I'll have to find out what the name of this person is. So the name is not mentioned. Okay, the name is not mentioned over here. No problem. But still, the name can be found either over here or at the footer of the content. All right. If the name is not mentioned, then you do @admin. Right. It's the same way that we write a letter to the principal for the leave, to the principal.
Right. ठीक है. So @admin, I own a silver lab and it is just 6 months old. क्या झूठ बोलता है तू साला?
Backlink.
What are the food care? Oh, question डाला. What are the food care I should follow?
Now this is the coding you need to know. Anchor बनाने के लिए.
Ahref is equal to that's one. This is the backlink of the whole website itself, not a specific article.
Right. Now, can see?
Yes.
This is a format through which you can create a anchor text. Right? Can you see what is anchor text? This is anchor text. Can you see?
Correct.
Labrador retriever dog. Right? So my anchor is on my Labrador blog. Right? If someone click on this, they will come on this website.
Yeah.
Right? So comment test whatever you want. All right. For this, you have to log in with Google. Right? Without बिना login आप नहीं कर पाओगे. So publish. It will ask you to log in, and it's publishing, and boom, you get a backlink. Okay,
Wow.
approved.
सही है.
Let's wait.
Refresh करने का.
I don't know where it is gone, but maybe it's gone for approval, or maybe it will come up after some time. So don't have to worry.
Right.
आप बस backlink बनाते जाओ and आपके backlinks approve होते रहेंगे. But make sure you don't copy and paste the same again and again, the description which I have put in. But you have to create different and real contents.
अच्छा अच्छा.
So this is how you create backlinks. So maybe they have gone for approval. Maybe it will take time for this to get visibility over here. And when it's done, you get a backlink. That's it.
Yeah. So there's one question from Kushbu. If I need to learn coding also, I just want to respond to that. Kushbu, you don't need to learn coding. If you see that text, but Anup, can you just send that text what you wrote so that people understand what that means?
So I'll
It's
do that.
really just एक ही चीज है. There's really no. It's hardly coding. I mean, I don't think you should consider
For example, this is my web page article, and I want to make it anchored. What I do is I use this. A means anchor, right?
Yeah.
Href.
Yeah.
It's called hyper referral. You know, hyperlink, right? It's the same hyper reference, and equal to hyper reference. क्या है? ये है, right?
The URL.
Right, the URL. The URL into double quote.
Yes.
Right. What is your hypertext? Hyper URL, right? So HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, right? HTTP, triple W HTTPS, right? That's what we do.
Auto copy paste.
Exactly. So this is I'm just telling you the hierarchy, right?
Yeah.
A, right? Space href, anchor करो URL को, I mean hyper referral को. Hyper referral क्या है? ये है.
Right.
And खत्म. अब किसके साथ एंकर करना है?
With some text.
Right. Right.
So that text will get blue color, whatever.
That text will get into blue color. And A
then,
is close.
So slash A is close the slash. वहां से start किया, अभी slash A बंद किया.
Exactly. That's it.
Got it. That's it. So Khushbu, that's all you have to learn. I think
so
it's worth it.
Let me give this.
For making 1.5 lakhs a month, I think it's worth understanding this much coding.
Now have a look. I made it much. Right. I made it much simpler. Can you see this?
Yes. Correct. Whatever your blog name is. Got it. Okay. Hopefully that answers that you don't really have to learn coding as such. It's only so much you have to do. And just a quick question from everybody. I just want to say, panelists and attendees. Okay. How many of you guys found this coding difficult? I mean, is this like, holy shit, it's not worth making 1.5 lakhs a month after reading this? Please type in the chat. How many say it's worth it? Say yes, worth it. किसी को 1.5 lakhs कमाना ही नहीं है. Chat में डालो ना भाई कोई. Worth it. Anuya is first. Worth it. Yashwant got it. Yes, worth it. So it's I think if you understand the coding is hardly any coding.
Anuya knows HTML. Yes.
Right. Exactly. ठीक है. Done. Okay, good. So that's as far as this is concerned. Next, क्या बोलना है? What's
next? Moving ahead, Rishi, you said how is this possible? How can we get? So now we have seen we can create backlinks either in the forum as a signature, either in the blog as a commenting. But how do we get into the website? Website में अपना content कैसे डालें?
So guest blogging आपने बोला ना?
Guest blogging, yes. So there are two types of guest blogging. The first is paid, but I'm not interested in you guys to pay anyone, right? So let's get it for free of cost. Correct. And there is a awesome way through which you can do that. and that backlink is
बता ना
really,
यार.
that backlink will really be the king. That उससे
Okay.
अच्छा backlink दुनिया में कहीं नहीं मिलेगा.
तो हायरार्की के हिसाब से guest blogging is number one preference.
Yes.
Second is
Blog
forums,
commenting.
and then is comments.
Second is blog commenting, and third is forum.
Blog commenting is second.
Right.
Oh, acha, forum is least. Oh,
Forum
I
is
see.
least because there
I
are very
see.
few websites about Labrador or dog forums. So blogs are more than forums. So blog commenting is better.
So guest commenting and then forums. Okay, got it. These are the three places to backlink, and first preference is guest blogging.
Yes,
Okay, so now tell us how to do guest blogging easily.
All right.
For free, without paying.
For free, of course, for free. Yes. Now, for that, I'll still use the same Content Explorer application, and what I do is I go and type Labrador. Right. I want to find Labrador related blogs, right, or dog related blogs. So I think there will be very few blogs about Labrador. So what I do is, let me go to the dog category, dog, right, and I put in space, right, and I type the double quote, right for us. There are many websites who want you guys to come and write for them for free of cost, and for instead of
And now we
free
have software.
content. Yes.
So we have software to create the content.
No, exactly. So they want content, and for content they can give you a backlink, right? So they'll publish it for you, and this is one of the best profile kind of backlink. This Google says this is the one of the best, because you have worked hard to write the content, and yes, the other person have given you the opportunity to get your backlink published on his website. So this is one of the best way. चोरी करके सिग्नेचर करके एंड ब्लॉग कमेंटिंग करके तो कोई भी करता है, झूठ डाल के कि हाँ मेरे पास ब्लॉग है, मेरे पास लैब्राडोर है 6 महीने का, मैं खाना कैसे खिलाऊं उसे. तो कितने झूठ बोलोगे एक दिन में.
ठीक है. So in that case, go ahead, show us how to find these such blogs.
Right. So you have to use a trial and error over here. So let me try this one here, right, for us. This work for almost everything. This should be your keyword. I mean the niche, not the micro niche. You can go with the micro niche also, but micro niche mein data kam aayega. So I'll suggest you to go with the niche over here. So Labrador can get backlink from dog. It's not a problem. But Labrador cannot get backlink from pet. Pet se diluted ho jayega. Pet means parrot, kabuttar.
Oh, got it.
Yeah, cat and everything. Right?
Snake be a pet. Snake,
no,
lizard
no,
be
no,
snake.
no. I'm not interested. All right. So write these things in URL. Remove this in URL and put it in title. Right.
Correct.
Right. Go with title and then search for this. Now let's see.
Right for us. Okay.
Now the software can give you the crap also, but you have to filter those crap. Right. Now let's see how to find them.
Okay.
$187. Let's see. Okay. Wow. The first one is awesome. Can you see? Traveling with a dog. Right for us.
Right.
Dog.
Very
right for us.
cool.
Can you see?
Yes. Awesome.
So open all these websites. They will ask you for the blew up the internet. Why? Okay.
Oh, ye band ho gaya sale.
No, it's not closed, but they have 404 this page, but still you have an option. You can find their contact us page. Can you see?
Yeah, and then call them, connect with them directly.
Connect with them or send them a mail. Yeah.
Correct.
Can you see this here?
Yeah.
Right.
Hello at idhar hai.
Right.
Correct.
For this, I think Rishi, your email automation will work. जब तक अप्रूव नहीं करेगा मेल भेजते रहो. Now I get this, and now you have to extract this data in your Excel sheet.
Yeah, got it.
Now this is what the crap I was talking about. Most of the websites are closed, shut down, right? So
Oh shit. Okay. Hmm.
is it problem with my internet?
No, I guess not.
I guess this is
No.
problem with them. So
मतलब वो
just
सारे के वेबसाइट many people were writing for them. They बोला छोड़ यार बहुत आर्टिकल हो गया बंद कर दे.
yes, this do happen actually. They get frustrated with n number of mails coming in.
Correct. कि क्या मैं आपके लिए लिख सकता हूँ मेरे पास AI सॉफ्टवेयर है.
नहीं है.
या शायद उन लोगों को पता चल गया कि AI सॉफ्टवेयर है सब लोग AI सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करके आर्टिकल भेज रहे हैं.
No. Very few people know this. Only those people who have been to my webinar. मैं उन्हीं को ये data देता हूँ. I don't give ज्ञान to anyone for free of cost.
ठीक है.
So I'm not asking you to get around 200 articles of your to be published. Even if you get around 50 article of your 50 of your article published. See, most of these are not available, but yeah, you can go with the connect page and connect with them. So this is a crap I was talking about before. So you have to filter those craps also, but it's not a problem. But even if you get around,
this is the best option. अगर मिला
yes,
even if you get 10 is good.
yeah, even if you get 10 a month, that's awesome.
अच्छा 10 a month is also awesome.
It's more than
उसका
awesome.
value बहुत ज्यादा है.
Value is very high. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Wait for us.
अच्छा guest blogging.
So you have to use n number of combinations over here.
I see.
So this is one of the best way through which you can get backlink. So connect with them. So connect with them, find their email IDs.
So कुछ लग रहा है.
Yes, there are some crap also. You have to find out. You can say contact.
Yes, this is good. Guest blogs introducing dog and baby. It's a dog and baby. ये सही लगा ना?
Yep.
bubblesacademy.com ये सही लगा. Fantasy books. अच्छा.
Crap.
इसमें बहुत टाइम निकल जाता है basically.
Let's see without double quote.
Okay.
The same data coming again. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's divide with domain rating.
अच्छा. That's a good one.
The high authority website will come up, and chances is very less that the page will be deleted.
Correct. That's a good way to filter.
Yep. So these are very high authority websites. All right, done. Very good. Now this is a high authority website. If you get a backlink on DR74, it's an awesome thing. Now have a look.
Correct.
Now they will ask you for the quality. They're asking I don't know what they're asking for. Still a crap. Okay. They're asking for 1,000 words of article which was not published anywhere, right? There's no fee for submission, so you can take this email ID, you can send them the content, right? So there are many websites more. This one, I think this is crap. So it takes time, but you have to find out a few websites. Even if you find 10 backlinks or 10 websites which are offering this, then fine. Okay, if there's one more way you can do that, copy this, go to Google without this tool, in title,
Oh,
right?
acha.
This is one of the commands through which you can get
Oh,
more right for us. I think this is much better result than the software.
correct. Direct Google पे जा.
Yep.
Very cool, yeah. Google is better at this. Href वाला इतना अच्छा नहीं है.
Yep. Wow, got it. See, have a look,
Lovely.
guys.
Fabulous. Fabulous.
You can see the email ID, this one, and they have given you the guidelines. You have to follow this guideline, how to train this kind of the topic they have need, and they need a minimum of 750 words and no grammar, no typology, 100% unique. Of course, we know how to make it 100% unique. Written by a native English speaker. Article must be engaging and useful for users. Article must be informed and correctly. Headline and sub-headline, this is what I was talking about. If you can see.
Yeah.
Right? They'll give you one link per website. And,
so that's cool. Very
they
cool.
have given some suggestions. These are the topic we are accepting for now.
Fantastic. These are the titles that we have to create for them.
These are the suggestions, kind of. Not the exact title you would have to send them. These are the suggestions. They are accepting this kind of title. So
cool. Very
so
cool.
this is what you can do, right? And
Very
this
nice.
is what the keyword. Wow, this is a bounty. Yes. Now what you have to do is, guys, have a look. Submit a guest article. Can you see this here? Use this. Go back.
Yeah.
Instead of write for us,
submit
use
an
this.
article.
Done. You'll get more.
Yeah. Very nice. Wow.
Right?
Wow.
So this is the keyword they have ranked their website for, and this is the reason why people are able to find them. I'm putting this in your chat, so that can be easy for you guys to use this. Instead of using Ahrefs for this, I think you should go with Google.
Direct Google, but you can do that. That was very interesting how you did that. Title, in title colon, and then you put the text and then quote unquote dog करके डाला तूने.
Do I give that?
That also is a good one. I like it. वो भी जरा डाल दे वो, because I am uploading all the chats on the classroom, on the teachable platform along with the video. Yeah, this is great. Thank you so much for that. Okay, great. Can we take one question from?
Yes, please.
So Khushbu is asking, is there anything in blog from which we should be aware of? Like, is there anything risky? Some websites dodge a complaint or another websites, something like that.
Can you bring her on call, please?
Yeah.
Because I'm done with my class. I'm done with the backlink part also.
Yeah, cool. So Khushbu allowed to talk. Yeah. Okay, Khushbu, just unmute your mic. Just can you expand on your question? What is your concern about complaint from another website?
Sir, like I have heard and saw that there are some websites between whom there is a quarrel regarding websites or something domain name, something like that.
Yep. Maybe talking about the copyright and trademark issue. So you cannot use the copyright and trademark issue in your blogs domains, because for example, Googleblog.com, Googledog.com, Googlelabrador.com. So this is not allowed. You can't use Facebook in your domain. Your domain will be pulled down. It's a trademark.
Sir, but if I'm using on WordPress and if my domain name will match with someone else, then will it also?
Can you give
Is
an
it also?
example, Khushbu? Khushbu, give an example. What is your domain name that you are planning to register?
So my domain name is Healthy Khushi Life. So if it matches with someone else, then is there any?
There's a two condition over here: matches and exact matches. Right? If exact matches, it will say, "Oops, the domain is already taken." If matches means that there's no problem, right? There can be n number of Khushbu in India, so Khushbu has the right to buy her domains.
Does that answer your question, Khushbu?
Oh yeah, sir.
I mean to say, if you want to buy the same domain, you will not be able to buy the same domain because there can only be one domain of a name. Although, can you see this Chelsea a dog, right? You can buy Chelsea a dog, but you cannot buy Chelsea a dogs, right? If Chelsea a dog is available, you can buy it. All right, you can do is Chelsea a dogs 2 or 1 or Khushbu, whatever. But if you have to go and go ready and you have to check if the domain is available or not. If it's not available, you cannot buy it. A domain is only distributed to one person, a unique person.
So if it matches a single word, then it is good, right?
If it matches, it will not be provided to you.
No. For example, I think if I don't know whether this is Khushbu's question, but supposing she decides to take a name of a domain called FacebookKhushbu.com, the fact that she's taken
not allowed. She cannot use Facebook in her domain name because Facebook is a trademark, and only Facebook has the right to use Facebook.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
Yep.
But the word face and the word book is in the English dictionary.
Either you can use a face-book, but you cannot use Facebook altogether. It will be brought down.
I see.
It's a trademark.
I see.
You cannot buy Facebook.online. You cannot buy Facebook.net. That has already been purchased by them to minimize their ease.
Okay, so in case it is available and you book it, it's possible that they may chase you down tomorrow.
They will chase you down, yeah.
They will. They are $1 billion company. They'll chase us down. Okay. Khushbu, does that answer your question? Any more follow-up question on that copyright?
So there is only this much thing that is risky, right? And nothing else.
Don't try to copy anyone. Try to create your own aura. There is no risk over here.
Okay.
Great. Okay. If there is no other questions from any, there is one more. Yashwant. Ayursatwa.in is my website where I have done SEO last year. Okay, but Yashwant, what is your question? Let me open your mic.
Let me audit his website.
Okay. So, Yashwant, I've just opened your microphone. Can you unmute your mic and ask your specific question?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, is it possible to do backlink to whole website, or is it necessary to do it for each article separately?
Whichever article you want to rank for a particular keyword, you have to create backlink only for that particular page.
Okay.
Now
good.
have a
Thank
look.
you so much.
Right. So suppose if you want to rank a particular website of yours, then create a landing page and create an article only related with a particular landing page, right? For example, if I have to rank my page called Labrador shampoo, right? So what I do is I write an article only about Labrador shampoo of around 1200 to 1500 words, and I use the keyword research tool, and I use the H1 and H2, which I did yesterday, right? And when the on page is completely done, then the URL is live, then you create backlinks of that particular page of Labrador shampoo with only the backlinks of Labrador shampoos. So have a look on this. This is the website, right? Ahrefs
Yes.
Satwa, and it says you have created only 6 backlinks. I mean, 300 around 350 backlinks on 6 domains only.
Yeah.
Right, and your 25 keywords are there, and they're not giving any ranking because they're ranking very either not on the first page or either the end of somewhere. So can you see it's either not on the first page. The keywords are not on the first page. Although, can you see these are the keywords?
Mm.
Right, and they're ranking on the 3rd page, 5th page, 7th page, and this is the reason you're not getting any traffic. So although they have the volume, if you can see,
Yes. Yes.
Ayur Bethania, what is that?
No, I don't know.
You don't know. All right, this is having a wall.
I have not done it. It may be done by that SEO person.
Okay, but it's
So
very
I have
pathetic.
listened this
Patanjali,
word
why is your
backlink.
why are you creating backlinks on Patanjali Achar?
Yes. So that person have created this backlinks. I don't know. I have listened this word first time yesterday in
All
your
right,
web.
all right. This is a place in Assam which is near to my hometown, Jorhat. All right, good. All right. So
So he may
what I
have
see
created,
is,
he
sir,
may
what
have
I see.
this
Please
backlink.
continue.
He may have created these backlinks, but those are not effective. So I am not getting traffic.
And how much you paid him to create these 6 backlinks?
No. I have paid him 10,000 rupees for 3 months and writing articles to promote them.
And you paid him 30,000 rupees for creating 6 backlinks, which
Yes.
can be done in 1 hour, sir.
Okay.
And the backlink which he created are not related with any of the website of your niche. You can see Viskarma Parishad. I don't know if this is related with Ayurveda or not.
No.
So this is all wastage of money, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Okay,
Here is it.
Lokesh has one question. Yeah, go ahead, Lokesh. You can unmute your mic.
Hi Rishi, hi Anup.
Hi, Lokesh.
Actually, I want to ask that when you created your backlinks on others blogs, there is option coming to comment on the blog. How can we create that type of table in our blog?
Okay. If you're using blogger.com, by default, it's approved, right? And if you are using WordPress.com, then you have to download a plugin, comment.
Comment. Okay.
Right? Download a plugin, comment, and that will help you out.
And what is the difference between backlinks and referral domains? What is the difference?
Okay. This means there's a backlink created on 6 websites, and on 6 websites, they got a backlink of around 349 URL. I mean, he created 349 backlinks on 6 websites. This is a website. Can you see this? These are 6 unique websites, and these are the number of backlinks which has been created on 6 websites.
So means only 6 website he created 349 backlink.
Yeah, he created around 50 backlinks on each website, which is
58 backlinks.
which is not good. You
Not
can
good, yes,
Google
yes.
give you the limit to create a maximum of 4 backlinks per website. 1:4 ratio. 1:4 ratio. Can you see?
Yeah, this is 1:58.
Yes. So if I click on this, I'll be able to see the number of backlinks being created. Can you see this here? 328 backlinks on this domain and 444 each backlinks on this domain. So it's a total of 349. Can you see?
Yeah. यार अनूप इतने सारे लोग हैं जो एसईओ बोलते हैं वो लोग हैं लेकिन क्या डिजास्टर है यार.
The main reason why these people are cheating you is because you're not aware of they are cheating you.
Correct.
And this
Right.
classes which I'm giving you, this will make you aware. This will not make you expert, but this will make you aware of what is going in the market.
Right. Awesome. Fabulous.
Lokesh, do you have any other questions? We're done with the time, I think.
No, no.
Yeah. We just
Yes.
one last question before we wind up. One from anonymous. It is. Um, the question is, why is it necessary for an article to be of 1500 words since people have less and less time to read these days? It's a good question.
Yep, I have a good answer for this. Guys, the point over here is uh, when you write a content, you write a content for two type of people. One is for AI, and another is the real intelligent people. For if I mean intelligent people, I mean to me and you and normal people, right? We don't have time to read, but I know. But what Google says is the content has to be very informative. Until it's informative, it will not be lengthy. So, mean to say, if I'm writing a content about Labrador shampoo, a dog shampoo, I'll have to write almost all the key points related with a dog and a dog and a shampoo, right? So I have to put in the ingredients. I have to put in the uh, advantages of using a hard shampoo, advantage of using a soft shampoo. What is a shampoo? Why a shampoo differ uh, for a man and a dog? Why a different shampoo for a dog? Why different shampoo for a man? Right? And what are the best shampoos available in the market? List of 10 best shampoos available in the market. So you have to write a number of things. So more information means Google feels okay, this page is more informative and this is better than this thousands of pages. So what Google will do is they'll pull the page of yours which is more informative and they'll bring it on the first page, because Google wants the users to get the best interface and they want to provide the best information to the people who are searching for. So is this safai bhi ho rahi hai Google ki, and this is the algorithm they work upon. I know people have less time to read, but yep, those people who are really interested, who want to know about the care about the Labrador dog and they want to care about the shampoo, yes, they will come and read each and every point. I'm not interested in those people who want to come just have a look on the article and run away. No, they are not my real people. They will never click on your articles, right? So this is the reason why I said when 100 people land on your website, 3 or 5 people click on advertisement, and those 3 or 5 people are my main men. I want those people, not those 95 people.
Got it. Awesome. Anup, as always, your freaking workshops are great. We're looking forward to the next one. Can I just take over the screen for a second and just remind people about the next
Yes,
workshop that's
please,
coming
your
up?
work.
Okay, great. So guys, just again putting it up in the chat. Don't forget we have these Q&A sessions live with Anup. So this is the one that's coming. Where's the next one? Register for the next one in
I
March.
can't see your screen.
No, sorry. I'm putting it in the chat. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, there we go. So this is the one. Let me just confirm again if this is the right one or is this going to Feb. This is going to 1st March. So guys, if you want to register yourself, register for this is the link for it. You can ask questions and you can have Anup live like this, but we'll only go through the questions. If we have time, we'll take questions live, but please enter when you're registering for the event, please put your questions there. Also the next, let me open the next upcoming workshops. Okay, so here we have share screen. Right. So this is the link which I'm going to copy here and paste it in the chat. Okay, so this link is it has all we've done and Facebook has workshop. These are all priced at $600. These are the SEO one is a 5-day workshop because it's more information had to be shared over here. Google Ads is 3 days workshop. Facebook Ads is 3 days workshop. Then we did a 3-hour affiliate marketing. If you've done blogging, I would strongly recommend affiliate marketing and SEO workshop to be taken. So it will just further enhance your understanding and deepen your understanding and make you better at blogging. Instagram ads for business. Somebody had asked, why did you do Instagram ads for business workshop if it uses Facebook Ads Manager itself, which is part of Facebook? Well, when you do the Instagram ads business, the Facebook Ad Manager, which is being used here, is used in a completely different way, and you will see the value of why it is important to understand advertising on Instagram is done differently and Instagram for Facebook is done differently. So that's why 3-day workshops had to be done for this effect to happen. And blogging, of course, is the one you're doing right now. And upcoming workshops, we've got 2. This is YouTube optimization and marketing 3-day workshop on 15th, 16th, and 17th. It's time again the same, 9:30 to, and it's a 90-minute session. You can click here to register. Again, these are all priced at $600. And then the next one is on LinkedIn ads for business. This is a 2-day workshop because this is not as intensive as Facebook and Instagram. So this is 2-day workshop, 24th and 25th March. And again, 600 rupees. You can register over here as well. This is on the 24th and 25th of March. Great. So that's as far as the upcoming workshops and the past workshops are concerned. Is it possible to conduct a workshop on content development? Anup, can you unmute your mic? And they are asking for that. Shiba is wanting to know.
Yep, I can, but I need least 15 to 20 people in that, because anything less than 10 people, I'll not afford to give up my time, because my time is little precious, right? So if I can get a minimum of 15 to 20 people on board, then I can plan it in an advanced level.
Okay. Monica's question is, when is the YouTube workshop happening? Okay, you got it. Okay, she knows that. Okay, great. So thank you. Yeah, Shiba, you can market it. Okay, great. Yeah, you give us 15 students, you get to sit in there for free. Okay. So thank you very much, Anup. Once again, very informative. Looking forward to the next workshop. And thank you guys for being here and sticking around all the way till 10:42. Every day it turns out to be so late. And we'll see you guys hopefully at the next workshop.
Thank you, everyone.
Good night,
Thank you, Monica. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
See you in my next webinar.
Yes.